to do so with passion and commitment for the Kenyan people, for the African people. Again, and as I said on Sunday, those of us who have been given the privilege to serve, do so with humility. Have empathy with the people that you take care of. Respect those under you. Address them with respect and decorum. It costs you nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Because people are people. So those of us who are here who lead this or that organization, those placed under your care, please treat them with respect and dignity. If you serve the people of Kenya, those are your bosses, they are your employers. Dignify them by the way you address them. Even when there are challenges, remain calm and steady and address problems in a humane and humble manner so that those who are victims of that challenge can feel understood and empathized. That is the hallmark of leadership. The Principal Secretary, State Department for Livestock Development, Jonathan Mweke, Leaders Present, the Director of the Inter-African Bureau of Animal Resources, representatives of the African Union member states and the African Union Commission, representatives of the Food Agriculture Organization, representatives of the World Health Organization, representatives of the International Atomic Energy Agency, representatives of research institutions, researchers, eminent scientists, distinguished partners, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I have a prepared text because when you talk to scientists, you don't talk off the cuff because your statements must be factual, based on facts and statistics. So I choose to read something that is written. I bring you greetings from your fellow scientists and the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. And on his behalf and the people of Kenya, I welcome you to the home of African hospitality. Besides hosting this 36th General Conference, we welcome you to the home of the African Bureau for Animal Resources. We hold this conference under a timely theme when states in Africa have engaged the high gear in implementation of national development blueprints in line with Agenda 2030 of the United Nations and Agenda 2063 of the African Union. Under these development frameworks, agriculture is identified as a major sector that will propel the continent to a better Africa.